Wait, don't tell me. If you tell me the ending, you will spoil it for me. I want to see it myself. Tell is for the first conditional sentence, indicating a future possibility. You may tell me. And then the second part is will spoil, is used to indicate a future hypothetical outcome if the action of telling occurs. Okay, have you ever thought about that? About what? About the things could be different. You grow up here in Baileyville and you're almost an adult now. But what would your childhood have been like if you had been born in a different family? Would your childhood have been is used to indicate the hypothetical past condition, your childhood, is the second conditional. Had been born is in the past perfect tense because it's an action that occurred before the hypothetical childhood passed with past.